So how's it going, my people? It's Michael Starks from The Stylish Grown Man. Now, if you saw my last video on the Bernard Tassel loafer from Beckett Simonon, and today I want to review the Bolton Chelsea boot from Beckett Simonon. Now, it's a suede Chelsea boot, and it is a beautiful boot from what I saw online, but I haven't unboxed these yet, and I want to share that unboxing with you. So again, here is the Beckett Simonon black box with the gold pretty lettering. On the side, there is what it is. It's a Bolton Chelsea boot. It has my size, a 9.5, and it also has the color, which this color is chestnut. So let's jump right in and see what we can see. Okay, again, here's the Beckett Simonon booklet that they include in there. And in the book, the most important thing is the 20% off discount code coupon. I keep up with those. As I said, this boot was not very expensive at all to begin with. It was $229, but 20% off? Man, that's at about 46 bucks. Man, it's a steal, man. So this book has like their little thank you page, and it goes over the process of how they make their boot. So that's always cool. You can read about that, how they make it. And if you once you open this, you get this inside part where it tells you specifications of the way your shoes were made. Awesome. Okay. Beckett Simonon always puts their shoes and boots in their bag. You always get a bag, and when you have suede shoes, it makes it even better because most of the time I put my shoes on a shoe rack, and you know, they may collect dust, but leather is not that bad. You can just kind of dust them off or whatever, but with suede, these get dirty and dust gets on them and they don't look so hot. So I always keep my suede shoes in the bag. So it's good that these come with a bag. All right, let's take these bad boys out. Let me show you what we're working with. So already that color is popping. It is chestnut. Oh, let me get that string off of there. It is popping, and there it is, gentlemen. The Bolton Chelsea boot from Beckett Simonon. I cannot wait to get my feet in these. First of all, let me talk about the suede. These Beckett Simonon puts a water repellent on these. Now, I'm not a guy that's gonna wear suede boots out in wet weather, regardless if they have water repellent or not. That's just not something that I do. But these come already water repellent, which is pretty cool if you are the type of person that will wear these out in the rain. That's cool. So a little bit about the Chelsea boot. You got this little tab here. This kind of helps you pull the boot on, but these are really easy to slip on and off. So it shouldn't be a problem. You'll be able to get into these. Another thing that I like about their boots, the Beckett Simonon boot, this Bolton Chelsea boot, and it's the same with the other boot that I received a few months back. I got a Jopper boot, which I did a review on. Check it out on my channel. Their boot comes to a taper near the top of the boot. So if you wear like a skinny jean or a slim jean, that helps out a lot because it's not gonna show, pretty much. You don't have to wear a boot cut jean when you wear these boots. Okay, so that is an awesome feature as well. You have this gore, what's called a gore here, which is a stretchy material. So when you're putting your boot on, this kind of stretches out and helps you get the boot on a lot easier. Leather sole again. They use the Blake Stitch construction to sew all of these soles together, and it makes it much more comfortable. It makes it durable, and it also gives you the opportunity to change out these soles after you've been wearing these a while. So as long as you take care of these boots, they're gonna last you forever. Again, on the inside, you're gonna have vachetta leather, and as I mentioned in a previous video, Louis Vuitton uses vachetta leather on the inside of their purses. So when you put that on a shoe, it's going to be more comfortable, it's more padded on the inside. And I didn't mention before, here we go, yeah, with all their shoes, they send you extra padding, these padded insoles. And you know, sometimes you need to use them, sometimes you don't. It just depends. They're already comfortable to me. One thing about Beckett Simonon shoes is as soon as you put these shoes on, they feel like you've been wearing them already for about 3 to 6 months. I mean, they're already comfortable to wear. You know how you get new shoes most of the time, you have to break them in. Well, these already feel broken in. Now, what would I wear these with? I would definitely wear them with some denim, which is what I always plan to wear Chelsea boots with. Since these are suede and they kind of make them a little more casual than their leather counterparts, would I wear these with a suit? Possibly. I might wear it with a casual suit, but I see myself wearing these more with like a denim or maybe even a chino or something like that. That's personally what I'm gonna wear it with. But grown man, you can wear it with whatever you feel, you know, it looks good. So go for what you know. So that's it, guys. That's my review on Beckett Simonon Bolton Chelsea boot. So leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the boot and let me know what you think about the video. And hey, check them out, guys. And as always, be stylish today.